Question number 18 is a bit tricky. There are so many ways to do this question. So the question says, show that this plus this can be written as in the form of m over 66, where m is an integer. We need to find the value of m. So you can do this one separately and this one separately, then add them up as well. Or you can just add them up first, 0.15 recurring. And then we have 0.2 and 27 is recurring. 27, 27, 27. So it's keep going this way, yeah? So let's add them up. So that will gives us 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 3, and this. We can clearly see that. So we have a number 0.3787878 recurring, yeah? So 78 is recurring. So two decimals are recurring. Let's see, x is equals to 0.378 and 78. Let's multiply everything with 100. So that becomes over here 37.87878. Okay, let's do now take away. So this is equation number 2, this is equation number 1. Let's do 2 minus 1. So let's do quickly. 100x is equals to 37 minus 87, 87, 87 recurring, and then x is equals to 0.378787, and we're going to do takeaway. So that will give us 100 take away 1x is 99x. That gives us 37.5. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by 99. So we will get finally here. So we will get 37.5 over 99. Because this is a decimal number, let's multiply everything by 10 to get our whole number, 375 over 990. So this is our x value. But we need to simplify our answer further. If we divide everything by 5, so what we will get if we divide 375 by 5, so we will get over here 75. If we divide 990 by 5, so you will get 198. Now let's see what number we can divide by. We can divide by 3. So final answer we will get over here 25 over 66. And what they're asking in the question, so m over 66. So what is our m value? So our m value is 25. So we can say that our m value is 25. And m is an integer? Yes, it is an integer. So it's clearly say that this is an integer. So we go m as integer. Okay, let's move on.